Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage to showcase our 8-inch bench grinder and belt sander combination machine. Many of you might be thinking of getting a bench grinder, but would like different grinding options when removing material. And we know that most of our customers rarely need 2 stone grinding wheels. With our combination unit, you'll save time moving from machine to machine because this unit has both a stone and a sanding belt, allowing you to free up valuable bench space. The half-horsepower motor spins at a perfect 3,450 RPM and plugs into standard 110-volt power to tackle any grinding or sanding task at hand. Feel free to use this machine on both metal and woodworking projects. I like to use the 60 grit grinding wheel when rough sharpening old hatchets, worn chisels, or mower blades. The adjustable tool rest is great for guiding the project on and maintaining the desired angle. When grinding, make sure you use the built-in coolant tray to keep the part being ground from overheating. This way you don't accidentally change the chemistry of the metal being ground, as an overheated part may lose strength, ruining all your hard work. Once I have the basic shape of my project, the magic happens on the sanding belt. The working area in the belt allows me to put a more precise edge on any project at hand. Today, I'm putting the finishing edge back on this hatchet, but you can use this on all kinds of projects, including prepping parts to be welded together and many more. Depending on your project, the sanding arm is quickly adjustable from horizontal to perpendicular, with no more awkwardly holding apart to get the angle you need. 2 other great uses for this combo are sharpening drill bits and making knives. Now we know how fast and easy it is to kill a drill bit sometimes, but you don't want to constantly be buying them, especially when you're getting up to the larger, more expensive sizes. With the grinding wheel, you can easily get your drill bits back in great shape. It takes just a little time and practice, but once you get the feel, you'll save hundreds of dollars on drill bits by simply refinishing the bits. Now, while we don't ever make knives at Eastwood, we do know that belt sanders are a must in the knife making business to get that perfect edge. This grinder and belt sander combo will give you the introduction to knife making without breaking the bank. No matter which project you pick to grind, shape, or sand, the flex head neck light is sure to illuminate exactly where you need it. This way you don't necessarily have to have this unit mounted directly below a light in your shop or garage, which might save space better suited for building projects. I can't think of a single garage which couldn't benefit from the Eastwood 8-inch bench grinder and belt sander combo. There are just too many practical uses for this one compact tool. For more information or to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.